seafaring, life presents unique challenges and environments, often leading to situations that increase the vulnerability of seafarers to health risks, including sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. The relationship between substances use, such as drugs and alcohol, and risky sexual behavior is well documented. This information drive aims to educate seafarers on the risk of drug and alcohol use in relation to STDs, offering insights into how these substances can increase vulnerability to these infections.
The connection drugs, alcohol, and STDs is clear, and for seafarers, this relationship presents serious health risks. By understanding the dangers of substance usage, role in facilitating high-risk sexual behavior, seafarers can take proactive steps to protect themselves from STDs. Education, awareness, and support are critical in mitigating these risks and ensuring the long-term health and safety of those working at sea. Seafarers should be empowered with knowledge, encouraged to seek help when needed, and supported in making healthier choices both on board and during their time at port. By fostering a culture of safety and responsibility, we can reduce the spread of STDs and improve overall well-being of seafarers worldwide. Always remember, prevention is always better than cure. Safe practice today can save lives tomorrow.
Mental health support, access to counseling services. Seafarers often face mental health challenges, including loneliness, stress, and depression. Addressing these issues through counseling or support groups can reduce the likelihood of substance abuse and high-risk sexual behaviors. Peer support network. Creating a supportive, non-judgmental environment on board where seafarers can discuss their challenges, can encourage healthier decision-making and reduce feeling of isolation.
Health education and awareness. It is essential that seafarers regularly educated about the risk of drugs, alcohol, and STDs. This can be achieved through onboard seminars and training. Example, providing workshops on sexual health, substance abuse, and prevention methods can help increase awareness and reduce stigma. Printed materials and posters. Displaying educational awareness in common areas on the ship can remind seafarers of safe sex practice and the importance of limiting alcohol and drug abuse. Collaboration with port health services. Seafarers should be informed about local health services available in port calls, including access to STD testing, counseling, and support groups.
STDs and seafarers are growing concerns. Seafarers are at a higher risk of contracting STDs due to the nature of their work, long periods spent away from family, limited access to healthcare service, and encounter with new people in foreign ports all increase vulnerability to sexual health risks. Common STDs among seafarers, HIV and AIDS. Seafarers, particularly those who engage in high-risk sexual behavior, are at greater risk of HIV transmission. Unprotected sex, multiple partners, and drug use all increase the likelihood of contracting the virus. Syphilis and gonorrhea both are bacteria STDs that can be spread through unprotected sexual activity. Syphilis in particular can remain asymptomatic in its early stage, allowing it to go untreated for longer period of spread unnoticed.